what is mpanifo akase obra ahyase obi ahiamoa ene nkoma eba bedi e wo sa formula ni bi obi ahyase ohiamoa na emum sometimes morning po ba they be so ayo mo ho akwansifo na omu twetwe omo nam na omo kate corners na enhyira ese ba ese no na ya kate obeti ase de ntie na mede mpaninsem we edikan so nim sementan company sem sa your friend is Sammy Flex we a real talk on Sammy Flex TV with my producers Digital Rasta Currency as well as Richie Flex and e be bon komo my background kakran san ma introduce the gentleman here we dey onim no right there no watch it when you and chaye last Friday and yes sister Wendy Shea a choir concert for West Hills Mall our friend no Shea concert na concert no choir we and him say apart from second concert near kama nipa bebre ba ye ma bibia ye fine no asemba ko asi ama celebrities na giafa a small boy bi ana performing original stage ana performing a try and raga ne mana abrantie bi a no jenim de o ye o stage ni so e choir gidi and nimguasiemu rudely or J microphone free in chain a pamono. Now, a pamono ye musician no a swindie. In fact, a cassin suobo, a casebo man, cassa pamomi, or soon papa, Nessa goody ten ready, near fence one performing pobewu. Now, I simply see a dear chin and I'm social media, I don't know. Medical so send my boy no what kind of story obebuano now we swap flow oh boy no mebuano na abrantie I'll introduce you this young boy and oh yeah the superstar on my left his name is Danny Beats he is a musician he is a performer and again he is a producer as well as a singer now or not now introduce you yeah abrantie want me right here on your friend is Zico yentin sem na se na fe yen hwe sene e call ye ne sene ba ne de ye betimi Danny akwaba
bra Sammy me da se
oh who said meji akwaba de so
meji akwaba no
right
me ni na akra for
I know akwaba because akwaba because me da se
okay me da se
Zico akwaba
me da se
Zico the guy Zico I know right Rofone say you know feel be catch and I was struggle but Danny abranti ofin and wama osusa what say na ye you know una mani sun
oh there be many sun ye that's am your chance xylophone FM Arnold and DJ Sticker omo program be link up reloaded and then omo friend me say they want me to be part of producers na omo ebe produce ni obe win no no omo so produce nti omo chem so omo person omo nye we so fanya den embo up and coming artists am so say up and coming artists and am obe ye dia ma dia ne why not me so me wo me dem meboa nti no you start here and Zico e wini I think the second one Zico wini here nti no wini here no o choose me and obaye and ye shall say ye juma nti first day obaye no me kra me hwe ni appearance we say na aden na say program no ma dane na ye no gospel bia na because na me ntia say me boy na appearance ntia na me say okay me ntimi nya den
that's your buy na ne ho say gospel artist
nti me na me say onto like anyumo oba be ye no na me mbo beat ni ma no nti no anokwa oto nyumo no obie na no sha say oto nyumo ho edwiri me and me record sat na me call baby kwanti me ma tips beat and I record no and I me call nti me buy no and I'm beat here me me hu say anokwa boy no talent nti e ho na me fa phone na me sha say me yeden me call Instagram social media ma ko hwe ne hand akɔhwɛ like name ho me call check here so me hu say wa through stages bebre even though on through platform be sad but wa through stages bebre bi no wa say ho nti ho na me yes okay meboa no nti me send no a message and I make actually and say I wish me phone no hasi nanka I'll read the message nti me send message kan say well you're very talented and I will do everything within my power to help him even though sisi I miss me artist I'm promoting my song sisi currently grand say me Fantana any free the rhymes, don't let me fall. But I will do everything be a meeting me Eddie Abuan saying process me post me the any put me buana me buano.
Wow.
And that's the message I sent him. And then we started into me catch and say week in Sunday now me can say you be shoot our friends in the video na face no he may make it this promise say every stage be a me free be and I'll make sure say me never for me never for my introducing not wababe performing on so showcasing the talent. And you know, that's how the whole thing started. And my friend Bullet within that week, now I'm a chance, so bro, we show no me person a membrasso. And I no cry as I didn't put one candidate, I'm a man for one can, friends say add a advert and then one is anyone. And I'm so, and yes, we be doing still meeting me into more than 1 year flyer, mammy. And on the podcast last year, went to me and I'm just said this year, and I'm said last year I'm available. And you know, opening Friday do ye. Ti Friday bibia me ne ko barbershop ye ko yiti ene ye say okay ye be ko program no. Nti ye ko no I told him say today we are going to make history. That's the word I said to him. Ene ye de ko ye. Nti me started my performance no ye frame am stage no I did only me the kuku. I was supposed to perform my new song but because of him I didn't I decided to perform just one song and introduce him. No, some random man, Nadia. Inti, me the cuckoo crama man and see me try so na me introduce you know. Send me a boy view has say the boy is very talented. Inti me baby inviting no on stage now on so ababy BBM will be here. And then me introducing no buy and I'm a man a mic. And then he started. It was started, you know.
The whole started, you know, free stage in this one and now want to change.
Or started, you know. Me echo jina actually because my introducing no, I need to give him the space. Yeah. No, so the bear is the talent. I don't need to be saying yes, sir. The focus and the attention will
be sharing the space with him.
That's it. And you know, me ko jina actually and I may the me share until me done me who I make like me who answer enyum ne jai like we jai performing and I me done mechi no na we Abbas abishim microphone or deco. And I'm say, bro, bad in our best, and also Obiang and can't or Sadintina, man can't say, may the artist be a banner. I'm say, how? I am time and I'm a dear man. Boy, in a song fan performing. Into you can say, me can't tell Mentiasi.
So within your time now,
yeah.
And I would introduce as your artist.
Yeah.
Send a big artist, be introducing young artist, no?
Sape Pepe, and yes, I'm performing you mean in a poe. Puna me friend no, but many time I've even performed one song and do a you cry. Intina babaji microphone in some. Intina me ne guy no ye gidi ho. And then later bullets zuba no bisa said yes. And I'm saying this is what happened. The bullets zubu fu ye. Na no ka chen say bro. Show na ye no say artist to artist. Ye nyina ye boy ho. And this artist be ever stage no baby ye bibia na so ba no bibia. And say money maybe say ye the ACC. Eba na sa hadwen. Inti bullet cry ne Zico so the Kasai and a bullet the guy and a Kasai and a guy Obekan sorry. Do Obekan sorry today, near forget TBBR. No, the number crama may say or more a bet organizing more events any man into the men. I have friend na day. Me fan him da. Afe Monday, any interview a showbiz agenda. Nafi guy we Ekasa even cry a say we even thanked him. I castle BSCBiano. Because I didn't know what we wanted to achieve. No, I hear crabrosa until near the Yamiasi, and a guy no so near CBiano, ya forget Bibia. And then no friend later, now if you make us or say me made the 3 artists and a bus stage. I be perform. Meanwhile, before I'm Babeko, maybe that the post I made that day about the show, name a flyer no, on Instagram, go check here. You see, I said, say. Tonight I'm on the tonight Shea concert. I'm going to introduce one talented young artist. Okay. I'm a hashtag is Zico ranking. And you can say me the 3 artists and our backstage in so say me babe I'll say me swingy we na me swingy. Meanwhile you weren't even around to even when your course on it. Oba ya boy in stage na kiki na akokwaje microphone. Wa be patch I forget TBB I feel some call radio so I feel some ku chantro e dey atome so na se brasa me say impo kra no say me introduce 10 up and coming artists crowd brasa me is not a good thing for the industry
And if it was within your time?
What I say, within my time, is it not a good thing for the industry? Now, like you go on and they'll be kuchan 20. But I mean, assembly then you see, I don't know. Yeah.
All right, Danny Beat, thank you so much. Like I said, Danny Beat, you'll be on also producing Beat. I'm at Top Stars, fishing with Top Stars and all that. My main call Zico ranking so. On na assembly and I met him like I said, bra assembly and I'm your hobby. God being so good, I was there. I saw one young guy also in the Pekita mu then ko sheka mu. I'm cram fin say be obi na fainty na obi na ABB. Later I'm come so ya cutting a performance to those. Well, Zico, o boss am I run down no they see they call na maybe that say yes, performance now performing is jai performing. I don't know usum bebrisa. I don't na asinti na usum traja jo usum tie me den na ekoso. E wo gym.
Pacho na before I be free no na my boss catch me say today we are going to make a history. Into me kono na my mind was like na ya kono history na ya ko make it say na ya beka ya wan say Monday on air. That was my focus. But the ama me soon so yeah, me started here no. Na nya dey make us say bia fans no omo bo me away. And I say bia dey me here no mo ni nji. Oh dey me here no na omo ni nji pa, and they were like they were supporting me. Until I know na ma like me soon here.
Said now we na fans ne epe na o betwe no na ye usu no
pacho because the way omo ye na me hu say enye kra no e bia blogger be blog is small boy me godfather Danny Beat introduce no and I was say ho ama show be so anye bi aka nti esi sa no na me hu say like me career no I end because the can't free fear bano. It's here and make us and then yeah, it will happen. And nothing now me patch.
I see. Now time now over stage na nyombe now perform at the time.
Patch to me no me ko baby ako perform here. Me when they say me nye big artist no, they don't know how to sing my song. You know me 2 minutes so ema a slow. Hanti me per one beat. I me the mashup. Me two ebi a Stonebwoy nyum kakra na me di wale Ephraim. Senya ya ama join me. Aha, patro sana ya me ya no.
Enti that time na otonwa nyum Stonebwoy nyum na wale nyum.
Me started Stonebwoy freestyle. Ena beat ni be mu no. Me started ni African Girl by Kwesiata.
Enti je now ye na manfo boje so o mani age but still mba be kate o
pacho
I see na yemfa ne say assembly see ye no sane Danny Beat kind the same thing also confirming assembly see we na de echi ye no ye hu see social media everywhere a man for can and artist we so beboa and also I'm feeling saying say obi anymore from anywhere just after one stage you have popularity everywhere say na more feeling
in fact the mechanic no me suya pa
oh me hu ye osuye
more than 1 hour
say ye do ko record mo anyai
o da be anya no tikra the next day we Niamani see was social media the way are MDK bless up AMG and also like odini hu shame no yeah mama suye mama me say obi like me free baby na medical say opeso hu me
Nana Ayobia o dreamy and Nana wo hope they said that be better machine na bibi.
Oh yeah, because even before me link up no, me catch me boys and they say after the link up no me person me the medical beba I shoot 2 videos in India. That was what I was telling them. Because now me mechanic ke say na ya omo beti no omo abuti ama me. Se me catch me say link up ya me koyo no omunya voti ma me na me wini a me the medical be ye nyum na ya be shoot video e wo ho
see. And minimum medical quantity flow and I think that me who article one so and when the shade and also about patch for what happened. Why it moves me call boss wako bisani mumba why it moves what started just uncle fui some bebana a collaboration with me at the association.
But when the any national bosses
na so far onyum ben na ready as a medical kase and then yan hit studio obe release.
But your title near man will be good.
Say man will be good. Man will be good. Okay, you took a crown. Me person me sua tanyom netro. O boss boma me amama tie ba mo send mama na me dey atome kam ba ya kakra na me hwe say MDK oti oba filia poof poof.
If you dey see me today, I dey suffer. Get to boy, I say I dey suffer. Man no be God, oh. Why you dey to my brother? See me today, I dey suffer. Get to boy, I say I dey suffer. Man no be God, oh. Why you dey to my brother?
See, one can say you be now we high life artist, we hip life artist, reggae dancer, gospel artist. Say oba ekrana that be also a gospel artist. Ababeto, praise the Lord, hallelujah. What is your style? What is your style?
Acho me baby, nyame adom.
We style baby. Me mpel mo me style baby. You me be also baby.
But my choose dance on Afrobeat.
Oh, what you should dance on the Afrobeat.
Actually,
See, and now about Afrobeat king, so the whole Ghana, the one of the people who bought Afrobeat for Danny Beat. I see, Danny Beat so far approaches now top stars now, you know. Sign I'm more responding to it.
I first of all no medanya me ase say waka MDK akomane the other IT flow ne atekwan no nyina me do mase bebre until now no MDK wa promise say one no ebeye featuring na face no waboa me shoot video no and the promo no say until no I think say last Sunday you could shoot ni video ne nyomba akubi. And on plan say after the video no Sunday be shoot sorry after the show no Sunday be shoot sa video no until after video ne me friend Flo Deli and then no say 1 or 2 being is almost 1 or 2 being no Friday which is sorry Wednesday or china ntino you be ko hu na ya hwe the other things e ka ho yeah.
Now, Zico ranking, yeah. A then there was free they see anymore out of sa mishap. See, then was free.
But your Messiah sent penny for no. Yeah, a woman underground artist for no chance. No more someone to me show my talent because yes, we have bread.
Now, apart from sa stages, not platforms I can see better. Now, what you imagine as why BB?
But so far, mini high school TV. You took coin, you high school tour, any medical, you could see at an also. Any many. And
there's only medical commercial stage there.
But
wow, that's perfect. Now, do no Nemo and I say time or yes, I push no Nemo cry.
Only me, but me show new course, no. Like me perform me before, no. And I miss me, so high school manager no or the Michelle come because on so friend me ni big artist yeah or protect me be a time I MDK performing no na me Michelle come.
I see. All right, I think sir as an industry the SSC here and the boy new ones they said more opportunity and then make I so be a friend beside me say Sammy Flex me who say oh yeah big guy oh yeah big boy in the game but sometimes me who crofobia or set so I'm another way mu so mu friend I'm say no I will never do that and then said Danny Beat retire I will say be a tips taking the place said tips retire so be taking the place and to ka say on kwan de be I only kewa Zabmalet kwan be interviewer said nanka yenya Danny Beat because omo buy and sana oba everybody needs an equal platform and opportunity and let's support them 5 minutes 10 minutes and we are grown opani bi bejina so crowd no asache and so we allowed him And then I might be no feel say they don't have any hope at all in this life. Let's support them and share the ABC. Yes, Danny, Mamiti, final message was sent me hona. Meaning say my busy, more recorded, more videos than I say for God bless you, say also support the talent. Let's get your message.
Okay, I will say a big thanks to you, Brasami, and then Xylophone Media for helping the young ones, and because through my channel I'm faso and kamenye show senka ebi kran kameshia no yeah until madam asibebre and I'll trade upon ya miss medanas and then medical T-flow article and abas nangasemu even though like oba e be try draw but
ono me pese be man no attention because wa share that picture and I to me say he misbehaved. Wajia to say he goofed.
And only me problem.
Say what the 3 artists, the bands, and I introduce Zico.
Oh, yeah, yes, sir. Unima said, "No, don't say what you don't know." Yeah, so big thanks to him as well. And then, Kakra American son say, like you were saying, you know, we should give the young ones, you know, the chance because I'm one person. I'll be on me pa no. Him say every time, you know, you always see me with these young ones. I'm mobile studio. Yeah, more things, because I believe say omone the future, and this is the time Ghana music industry, you know, yebe biemu na yama young ones in a so chance because ya nyesa other countries if you fancy be Nigeria, CNN the BB by a top 10 top 10 no omo chart top 10 on the Biden. Nigerians and Kwa is because my young ones, you know, the chance. They support them, they help them. Until at the end of the day, you know, say Kwa, you see the video, no posty, we no posty, Benabo, the boy young ones, you know. Until that's one thing I say Ghana, your music industry, yeah, lucky. We better say, me one we are actually ungrateful. And your munina and ungrateful. And sometimes, you know, I believe say how ube treaty abofrano from scratch, you know, and maybe or chinebi or the be ungrateful and that's what you know when say own for you. I believe say o fan say o blood, unya na say oba. Na oye bone no what and say that the titin kwala no say niam na obi nya be den abe penny papa ma also be our account. And you know, we shouldn't think about ungratefulness or unbearness and we should rather support. Definitely. Baku binum omu between Abeke say I was on Shiran Besa and I bounce back. Yeah, and you know, that's the message Medebema Obibia.
Wow, well spoken. I think something nana than a bit akano. Let's give them the opportunity. Say obi en free ho memma mesuma free ho obi ma ewiase ne sanetie enua mpo ne sanetie enua na ye twa ya de si dan we ne foforo ba ansa ne yesa si dan foforo enye sanka ye si dan ye kase ye twa dua ye madua ba dua bia ma bia ma e be da si dan foforo ye ntimi si dan foforo bia Zico chale big ups to you obe ba kwa ma ansa ne apo na freestyle ba ko na fan point
I kept on believing what you see sometimes can be deceiving. Man crime still see, man crime still prison, still from the ghetto with the hustle but still no winning. Suffer doesn't kill you but makes you stronger. Some people quit my guy, I wonder, and I just see them, it makes me wonder. Say them no, say never give up, give up, give up, never give up, give up, give up, never give up, never give up, all your lifetime, say.
Now, Matisse who cost you pound on you. Enti o ye den na enwom ne ba
de Nyankopon e de mami
hey na Nyankopon hu me na me so mami nyu ni bie Zico ko studio na wa mara nyom no akoto me so dani beat kam ko no kro nyimiska Nyankopon hu me na me so me tu bie enti se Nyankopon eye ma na ko na akoto wi a subsequently say na ya okay I in case you perform ya so this song say na per auto
but after recording yeah omubo nti omubo na like
wow, this guy is a blessing. Danny Beat, God bless you so much for making Xylophone FM's project start here as possible. Shout out to Arnold Mensen Levanyo, aka Bry Zimi, for hosting this young chap. I believe say the star and are shining on. And there is a lesson in a bit me pick everywhere. sometimes your negativity can turn into positivity. Maybe I was not even going to interview him this soon. Maybe I was not going to sit down with him this soon. But because of something negative that happened to him, today we are here, we are vibing, and let's pray it comes out positive. This has been the Real Talk here on Sammy Flex TV. Thanks to Digital Rasta Currency. Thanks to Richie Flex. My name is Sammy Flex. He is Zico. And of course, Danny Beats. Another Danny Beats. We out of here.